Professor Naushad Sheikh. Today's topic is waste disposal. Waste disposal, landfills. The most common method of waste disposal involves burying waste in designated landfills. Incineration, burning waste in controlled conditions to reduce its volume and generate energy. Waste reduction and minimization, reduce, encouraging the use of products with minimal packaging and promoting the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Waste audits, assessing the composition of waste to identify opportunities for reduction and recycling. Regulations and compliance, environmental regulations. Governments enforce regulations to ensure proper waste management practices, reduce pollution, and protect public health. Public awareness and education, community engagement, involving the public in waste management initiatives through education programs and awareness campaigns. Promoting recycling, encouraging individuals and businesses to recycle and responsibly dispose of their waste. Professor Naushad Sheikh at International Center of Excellence in Engineering and Management.